Here's how to create these drippy tips for Halloween. I'll be using snow cone, lady, our matte cover top coat, and our gel shine top coat. You first want to start off with white nails and then go over top of them with our matte coat. And once they're dry, they'll look like this. Then take our red shade lady and create 2 lines on the corners of your nails. Then draw a line down and round the bottom of the line to create a drip. Repeat this to create as many drips as you want on your nail. For my nails, I'm just gonna have 2 drips on the tips of 2 of my nails. Then you just want to fill them in and go into any parts for touch-ups. Then you'll want to use the gel shine top coat and go over the red parts only on your nail so that it looks glossy and fresh like this. And then you're done.